Hi, this is Sam Horn, and this is this week's version of our Better newsletter, which is titled Listen Like You Like to Be Listened to. Our aha is from Ralph Waldo Emerson, who said, "It is a luxury to be understood." Our anecdote: a woman in a Kung Fu workshop told our group that her friend had been laid off, and she tried to commiserate by saying, "I know just how you feel. I was laid off by my company a couple years ago." Her friend came back with, "You do not know how I feel." Has this ever happened to you? You tried to commiserate with someone who was sad and they got mad? Well, that's because unhappy people don't want advice, they want empathy. Alfred Adler said, "Empathy is seeing with the eyes of another, listening with the ears of another, and feeling with the heart of another." Next time someone's feeling down, don't try to cheer them up. Instead of offering solutions, ask, "Do you want space or support?" Whatever you do, don't say, "I know just how you feel." That doesn't comfort them. It yanks the conversational carpet out from underneath them. Instead of giving advice, "Well, this happens to everyone," offer your ears by saying something like, "So you wish you had been given more notice so you could prepare?" They'll probably say a heartfelt "yeah." Come in with reasoning instead of wishes. It sounds like you are disappointed about this and wish that you had been told in advance. They'll probably say another heartfelt "yeah." Yeah means they feel heard. From now on, if someone is sad, don't give advice, give them empathy. Action. If someone says, "No one appreciates me," don't argue, ask, "So it feels like no one appreciates you?" Once again, they'll probably come back with a heartfelt "yeah." Next, reflect what they want. Say, "So you wish you'd receive some recognition for all those extra hours you put in?" They'll probably say another heartfelt "yeah." The "yeah" indicates you're being there for them, which is really what they want, to feel connected and understood. Want more of these YouTube videos of our Better newsletter? You can find them at our YouTube channel, Sam Horn. Until next week, here's to being better.